Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Lexus GX 550. Remote starting your vehicle offers incredible convenience, allowing you to warm or cool the interior before you even step inside. This feature is especially useful in extreme weather, ensuring comfort from the moment you open the door. We will cover two main methods: using your key fob and leveraging the Lexus app. Both options provide a seamless way to get your GX 550 ready for your journey. To remote start your Lexus GX 550 using the key fob, begin by pressing the lock button twice in quick succession. For the third press, hold down the lock button for approximately 3 seconds. You will notice the vehicle's hazard lights flash several times, indicating that the remote start sequence has been initiated. After a brief moment, the engine will start, and the hazard lights will continue to flash for about 10 seconds, confirming successful activation. For those who prefer smartphone control, the Lexus app offers a convenient remote start feature. First, download and set up the official Lexus app on your mobile device. It is essential to have an active Remote Connect subscription for this functionality to work. Once logged in, simply tap the remote engine start icon within the app. You will then confirm your command, and the app will send a signal to your GX 550, starting the engine remotely. When using Remote Start, remember a few important tips for optimal performance and safety. Ensure all doors, the hood, and the trunk are fully closed and locked before attempting to start the vehicle remotely. Your GX 550 also requires at least 1/4 of a tank of fuel to engage the remote start function. Once activated, the engine will run for a maximum of 10 minutes before automatically shutting off, helping conserve fuel and ensuring safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.